Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make pop-up text effect in Premiere Pro. Go ahead and select the type tool and type in your text on your video and make the necessary adjustments under the Essential Graphics tab. After that, we go to the Effects tab and search for Transform. Let's drag this one to our text layer and let's go to Effect Controls and we toggle the animation for scale right under the Transform effect. And we change the scale to 75. We move 3 frames ahead by hitting the arrow key 3 times, and we change the scale to 125. We move ahead by 3 frames again, and change the scale to 100. Now let's add motion blur to the effect. We uncheck the Use Compositions Shutter Angle, and change the shutter angle to 360. And it should look like this. Now to copy the pop-up effect to your multiple text layers, for example, just select the text layer and right-click on Transform right here under the Effect Controls tab and select Copy. Now select the text layers that you want the effect on, then hold Ctrl and click V on your keyboard to paste the effect. And it should be on that text layer as well. You can also save it as a preset by right-clicking on the transform again, save as preset, and you can name it as pop-up to locate it easily. And you can go to the effects tab and simply search for pop-up, and you can simply drag it to your other text clips to have the same pop-up effect. And that is how you can basically make pop-up text effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.